have to get his character.
So as you can see, lunch break number 4.
We have another problem. So we were swapping out the control box because the control box had broken discs inside, and we're doing the harness at the same time. So when T-John unhooked this harness, it shorted the ground back here, let out a great big spark. So we're gonna choose to replace this harness with a used one off the donor engine, or see if we can find out what actually happened to this one.
I think it came off one of the leads.
Maybe the bottom one?
Like the coil. But how?
Ow.
How would it have touched anything with it?
Nothing so far. The harness appears to be okay on the engine, so.
Certified freak accident.
Not a freak accident.
Oh, you're taking one?
Oh, nope. There's your problem. The head of the bolt's round.
Oh.
Did you just hit your head up there?
He did.
Holy lick, let's get a load of this guy.
I think I should submit it as simple as head.
Oh, sounds like he's okay. Okay, we're down, but we're not defeated. We've put a lot of time and a lot of effort into this engine, and we're hoping that it's gonna work. We've got ignition to check next as soon as Joey gets the control box in. Once that's done, if everything works out fine, we're gonna run it up on the dyno. Stay tuned.
And here comes the first initial check of the rebuilt, redesigned Frankenstein.
Got 2. Let's open up the gap. Let's go again. Ready? And 4. Oh, 2 more.
We're good on cylinders 1 and 3. Rather, coils 1 and 3.
Back to the side. One. All right, so we've got spark on one side, fantastic. We've got weak spark and no spark on the other side. So we suspect power pack, and we suspect a weak ignition coil. So we're going to the donor engine again.
It's rather hot in here. What do you say, Joey?
It's a little musty.
Bad news, guys. We have an ignition coil, but the power pack is different. We've run out of
Donors.
Donair. This is the walk of hope for it not being the power pack.
Is this where, we won't say his name, but he walks like this.
It's not me.
That's the updated coil. So what we're gonna do is create a new wire for that and hook it into the orange wire. But prior to doing that, we're gonna put a false lead in first so that we're not cutting anything. Okay. Number 4 is not firing. Okay, so go ahead, we'll pop this lead off. And we're gonna take our donor coil.
Don't air.
We're gonna hook it up, kind of. We're gonna supply a different ground somewhere else, and we're gonna run this lead to the orange, and yeah, hope. So
Maybe use my pliers.
this is gonna go on donor coil. So what we're gonna do is get a jumper for this so that it can go to ground. And we're gonna put this inside each of these leads one at a time and see what happens with the spark.
Why are we using one at a time, sir?
So that we can determine if it's the power pack or if it's the coil or a combination of both. Because we don't have the actual jumper, this is what we're doing. Spin it over now.
Should with this guy.
Happened before.
He's clear.
The time that Joey is talking about it happening
Remember when
before.
we played Spark Roulette?
No.
Hey, we could do spark roulette for the video.
How about no? Let's just say we did and pretend nothing. Pretend we did and let's not.
You have until I touch the key.
Don't even.
Don't even.
Oh, imagine her.
Hands free.
Yeah.
Ready.
Got spark.
Oh wait, I'm gonna connect it to another one too though. Or the shitty one. Wait, hold on.
Not doing anything.
Now I understand why. Like,
Now try.
never mind.
Ready.
That's spark.
All right. So what did we just prove?
The coil's nest. His coil gone.
Okay. So we proved that his coil
We now
was
know
gone.
that his
But more
existing
importantly-
coil doesn't work.
More importantly, we proved the power pack functions, right? Because we don't have a donor power pack, but we got a donor coil.
Oh, fair enough.
All right, so let's go ahead and we'll splice that line together and install that coil.
I'm not talking anymore.
Yeah. Look at that.
Let's try and go fire up.
Ready? Let's make ourselves look real tall.
We the best. Yeah, man. DJ House. Marine Music.